Hello everyone, today I'm excited to introduce you to the soon-to-be-released new feature from Axure, Axure Specs. Recently, I received an email from Axure informing me about this upcoming feature. Let's take a look at what this feature is all about. This feature is primarily designed for collaboration in agile development. It combines document and canvas. As you can see, the left side is the document, and the right side is the canvas. This setup allows for quick and efficient delivery of specs to developers. The document on the left side resembles the structure of a Word document. It also allows for embedding images from the canvas and linking to Jira or Linear. The canvas on the left side is similar to Axure's canvas structure. It can be used to draw flowcharts, embed images, and Axure prototypes. Team members can then collaborate on the document in real time, similar to the real-time collaboration feature in Figma. This feature is available for use in Axure Cloud. You can leverage its team management capabilities. If you want to use this feature, you need to first register for Axure Cloud, fill out the basic information, and apply for access. Victor and Martin mentioned in their email that Axure RP11 and a new product are currently under development. These will be accessible through a browser, representing a significant step forward for Axure RP. Particularly noteworthy is the addition of real-time team collaboration, which will be a leap forward for Axure. I'm eagerly anticipating the arrival of Axure RP11. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.